society. You're a crazy breed. I hope you're not lonely without me. When you want more than you have, you think you need. And when you think more than you want, your thoughts begin to bleed. I think I need to find a bigger place.
Well guys, as you can see, we're going on a canoe ride today at Water's Edge.
Seats back here.
Four?
4 seats back here?
Yeah.
About a couple laps. Okay.
Alright guys, we're out kayaking. Yeah. Alright guys, we pulled over at Bass's Beach. There's supposed to be a rope swing. So we're gonna walk back here, see what this looks like.
Which way you got land?
Oh, Dick, we're standing up.
Right there's where it gets scary.
You're gonna have to.
You can make it before the kayakers.
Come on!
Yeah, you let go.
Let go! Hey, I'm pretty sure you could jump off this too. Maybe.
Oh, yeah.
He was trying to talk before you hit the water.
I landed on my feet on the bank.
Carl's going right in the way, like, what way?
So we're just leaving the little island where we was flipping and jumping off. Heading back out. I think we got 4 more hours from here. get hit. Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
We just made it through the rapids. It got a little bit dicey. A couple of us got stuck a little bit.
I got stuck bad. But I-
Oh shit, there's a drop off.
You can't touch the bottom right there.
Oh, I got the shit on lock now, we're good. I'm about to post it.
Okay.
Ready?
Post it.
Oh, rocks right here. There's a big rock.
Center.